Today, okay, we are going to go through the questions that y'all did as homework. Shao Chen, you also did very good. But if y'all recall, we had a set of notes y'all can see on the screen, right? Can y'all, my existing students, Darius, Chen Xing, and Shao and Ziyi, can you take this out as well? We're going to finish this today. Okay, for Shao Chen and Tanisha, y'all are new. All right, so I'm going to send over the notes, this set of notes today. Okay, so Shao Chen and Tanisha, can y'all please pay attention? I'm speaking. This is an extra set of notes for the topic of respiration. Okay, so if you continue with me, I know you are here for drop-in. So usually how it works is that my regular students, I will send this worksheet or extra notes to them ahead of time so that they can print it out. Okay, unfortunately for y'all are only trying out the lesson, so I cannot send you the notes yet in advance. So I'm just gonna send it to you over the chat group. Y'all can just download it. Can? Okay, Xiao Chen, can I just check with you what is teacher doing in school now?
He's still doing about reproduction in plants.
Oh, wow. That's a very strange order. Usually schools do reproduction in the later part of the year, but never mind. So today's topic, you might find it a bit difficult, okay? Because today is week 2 of doing this topic. Okay, so you just try to pay attention and go along, all right? Eventually teacher will do this topic. So you just try to pay attention as best as you can. If you're not sure what I'm teaching, you just need to tell me, teacher waiting, can I check this? Or I don't understand what you're talking about, then I'll explain again. Okay, but it's going to be a challenging topic for you because this is the first time you are seeing it. But don't worry, okay? Tanisha, what is teacher doing in school? Okay, Tanisha, what is teacher doing in school now?
She's doing plant reproduction.
Oh, okay. So similarly, like what I mentioned, this is a new topic for you. Okay, so it might be a bit complicated. But don't shut off, okay? Because eventually the school will still cover this topic. Okay? All right. So because we have new students as well, and I want to revise this topic with my existing students, I will do a recap. Okay? So for everybody, I want you to take out writing material. I want you to copy some things that I'm going to talk about. Okay? I'm trying to find my mouse. Okay, let's start. Tanisha, I saw that you didn't manage to try the questions online. Is that so? No time, huh? Okay, did you at least watch the e-learning video?
No, not yet.
All right, never mind. So for the two of you, Tanisha and Xiao Cheng, not eventually, if you decide to continue, you need to actually watch the e-learning video and do the questions before class. Okay, so this will at least give you some understanding of what I'm going to teach. If not, you come in blah blah, also very difficult. Okay, so I'm teacher waiting. I'm going to start. Okay, before we start, I'm going to do a recap. Okay, so I want Xiao Chen and Tanisha to pay very close attention. I'm not going to ask you the questions because they are questions that I have taught last week, which y'all weren't here. So I'm going to ask the existing students. Okay. Okay, so we are going to start with the respiratory system. Actually, this is quite straightforward. So maybe I want Tanisha to try. Now, Tanisha, you definitely know what's the respiratory system, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, actually, never mind. We will talk about that later. Uh, yeah, I will ask you that later. We will talk about these questions first. Okay, so my existing students, I want you all to help me. Okay, remember last week, Chen Xing, Ziyi, and Darius? Darius don't know go where. So, okay, Chen Xing, Ziyi, and Darius, we talked about respiration and breathing. Right? I told y'all that respiration is different from breathing. Okay, so no. My answer is no. What is their difference? Chen Xing, can you tell me what is the difference between respiration and breathing? What is breathing? What is respiration?
Respiration,
Mm.
the process, the chemical reaction in which the body uses
Hey, you
oxygen
memorize?
to
Cannot. You are reading directly from the slides in your own words. I don't want you to be staring at the slides. That's my notes. So I want you to try and put it in your own words. So first tell me, respiration is a what kind of process? Breathing is a what kind of process?
Respiration is a chemical
Good. Chemical what? Chemical
reaction,
process or reaction. Breathing is a
physical process.
good. So my new students, what do I mean? Okay. Let's talk about physical process first. Physical process is basically your body moving. For example, waving is a physical process because I'm just moving my hand, right? Tying my hair is a physical process because I'm just moving my hand to tie my hair. Okay? So breathing is the same. Breathing is breathing in and breathing out. So physical process means I inhale and exhale. So when you do this, that is breathing. Okay? There is no chemical equation involved. There's no chemical process involved. It is just the organs in your body moving. Okay? Tanisha, understand? Chen Xing, you understand? Xiaoshen, you understand? Okay, I want you all to be copying. Okay. However, respiration is a chemical process. What do I mean by a chemical process? Means there is a chemical change. A becomes B, a chemical reaction. All right. So Darius, can you tell me what is the chemical reaction for respiration?
Wait, is it the equation again?
Yes, what is the chemical equation for respiration? Can you try your best to not look at your slides or not look at the notes I gave you and try to see what you can remember?
I think I forgot, but I tried
Just,
to remember.
yeah, just try whatever. What is the gas that we need? This should be quite straightforward. So
Oxygen.
guys, wait, remember I said respiration is a chemical equation. So I have oxygen plus what? Darius?
Sugar or food. And then just stop food.
Very good. Okay, I need digested food. All right. What does it give me? So everybody, you see A plus B is going to give me new things. Darius, what does it give me?
Energy,
Very good.
carbon dioxide, water.
Fantastic. All right. So you can see a chemical change here. Some things go out, completely new things come out. Okay. Therefore, I say it's a chemical process. Respiration is the process that releases the most important thing that our body needs to survive, energy. Okay, so it's a chemical process that releases energy for us to survive. All living things need energy. All living things respire. Chen Xing, okay? Okay, Ziyi, can you tell me where does respiration take place? And where does breathing take place? Let's start with breathing first. Where does breathing take place, Ziyi?
Breathing take place in the nose.
Only in the nose? You only need your nose to breathe? What else do you need to breathe? To take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. What else is needed?
Windpipe and lungs.
Good. So the three organs that you mentioned make up the what system? Huh? Ziyi, the three organs that you mentioned make up what system?
Respiratory system.
Very good. Okay, so breathing takes place in the respiratory system. Like what Ziyi said, I need my nose, I need my lungs, I need my windpipe. Okay. However, respiration. Ziyi, where do you think it takes place? Does it only take place in the respiratory system? Where does it take place? So I give you a clue. Energy. Which parts of your body need energy, Ziyi?
All parts of the body.
Good. So respiration takes place in?
All parts of the body.
Very good. All the cells in our body. Every single cell in our body respires because every single cell needs energy. Ziyi, please remember this, okay? All right. Xiaoshen, you understand? Good. So please remember the difference between respiration and breathing and this equation. Okay? Now the next thing, okay, I'm going to ask you what is the difference between inhaled air and exhaled air. So Xiaochen and Tanisha, the air that I breathe in is going to be different from the air that I breathe out. Okay, it's going to contain different percentages of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So let's look at the two most important gases that I mentioned just now. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. So wait, a bit messy. Let me write it neater, okay? Okay, so inhaled air, exhaled air. I'm going to draw a line down. Here is oxygen. Here is carbon dioxide. Okay, Darius, can you tell me? Oxygen, there is more oxygen in okay, no, this one very easy. I'm going to ask someone else. Okay, Tanisha, I want you to try. Do you think there's more oxygen in inhaled air or exhaled air?
Exhale air.
But Tanisha, can I draw your attention to this chemical equation? We use oxygen for respiration.
Inhale
So the air that comes out, do you think there's more or less oxygen?
less.
Good. Okay, so there's less oxygen and more oxygen in inhaled air. What are the percentages, Chen Xing, do you recall?
The percentage of inhaled oxygen is 21%.
Very good. Okay, so remember, 21, the air that we breathe in contains 21% of oxygen. How about exhaled air, Chen Xing? Do we use up all the oxygen? So how much oxygen do we exhale? What percentage?
16.
Good. Oh, you memorized that, Chen Xing, or you staring at the notes? Memorize already? Looking at the notes. Okay, can. Please try and convert this to memory. Okay, now, Ziyi, carbon, okay, let's try, Ziyi, I ask you the more challenging one later, okay? Xiaochen, let me ask you, do you think there is more carbon dioxide in the air we breathe out, we exhale, or there's more carbon dioxide in the air we breathe in, inhale? Which one?
Breathe out.
Very good. Why? Because we produce carbon dioxide. Very good, Xiaochen. Okay? We produce carbon dioxide in our body during respiration, so there's more carbon dioxide. Okay, what are my percentages? See, what are my percentages? Darius, you have been moving up and down, up and down, up and down since I started lesson. I'm getting a headache looking at you. Can you please sit down? Okay, Ziyi, can you tell me what are the percentages? Try your best. Inhale air, 0.0 what?
3.
Good. Exhale air. I give you a clue. Somewhere from 1 to 5. What is it? Choose a number between 1 to 5. See? What number?
3.
3 to 4%. I'm going to write 4% here. 3% also can, but 4% is the more accurate answer. Okay, so please remember your percentages. All right? All right, I move on to the next gas, nitrogen. All right, Darius, can you tell me how much nitrogen in inhaled air, how much nitrogen in exhaled air? Don't look at your notes.
78%.
How about exhaled air? Don't look at your notes.
0%.
0%. Darius, your body uses nitrogen. Are you so special? Does our body use or
There's
produce
78.
nitrogen?
There's 78.
Yes, okay. So all my new students, please remember